After a 2-week break, the state capture inquiry resumed to hear evidence on the controversial Estina dairy farm project. And up on the stand today was former Deputy Director General of the Free State Provincial Treasury, Anna Fourie.
She told the inquiry that the Estina payments were in a breach of the Public Finance Management Act. Fourie also explained how she was approached to assist with one of the payments amounting to 30 million rand. This occurred while she was attending a farewell function for a colleague in 2015.
The former DDG says that she was put under pressure to ensure the payment went through by the then provincial Agriculture CFO, Seipati Dlamini.
On that specific day, the afternoon, there was one of our colleagues which left the department.
The specific day being 15 June 2012?
15 June,
yes.
And so there was a small farewell function arranged for her, which we attended. I myself was also there. And while we were there, I was then approached by the then Chief Executive Officer, which is the head of the Department of Treasury, to assist two other colleagues to do an assessment on the payment that is needed by the Department of Agriculture. My understanding from the way that the instruction was given is that it was a very urgent payment that still needs to be done on that very same day, and therefore he requested that we need to go to the office and do the assessment.
So can I ask you to pause? So essentially you were asked at this function to go back to the office and attend to this particular request that had come from the Department of Agriculture.
That's correct, Chairperson.
Can you tell the chairperson what the quantum, what the amount of money was that was requested on that afternoon?
The amount requested to be paid was 50 million.
Who was the CEO or head of Treasury that asked you?
At that time, it was Mr. Gumongwe.